So today I wanted to show you how to edit your text on your website and add a new page and add that page to the menu. So first I want to start out showing you how things look on the front end and how they kind of translate to the back end builder. So right here we can see our page title and our rows with 2 columns and all the text content inside. So how that looks on the back end is this. So we've got our page title, we've got our rows, and this gray bar kind of indicates a new row. And within that row, we've got our columns, and our columns with text inside, icons, and images. So that's how it looks on the back end, translates on the front end. So we're going to go ahead and make ourselves a new page. So how you would do that, you would log in. I'll show you what that looks like when you've freshly logged in. We're going to go ahead and in the left menu bar, we're going to go and click Pages. Inside of this tab is where all of the pages on your website are. And we're going to go ahead and click to add a new page. So it's going to start out looking like this, but we're going to click the WP Bakery Page Builder button. And we're going to click the Backend Builder editor, which is how it looked on the other page that I showed you. So we're going to start with our page title. I'm just going to call this new page for now. And we're going to start by adding our first element. So click that button, and I usually start at the top with the page title. Page title. We've got the font that's already set in our theme settings, so you usually don't need to change that. Don't need to change the font size or the title tag for this case. I will want to change this color to white because I plan on having it over a background image. So to add a background image, I would click the pencil icon, and the pencil icon is always how you edit an area on your site. So take a look here, and we've got quite a few different settings, but I know that to change the background directly, I click the background tab, and then I'll click an image, simple background image. Perfect. And I'm gonna click, and it shows you all the pictures in your media library, or you could go ahead and upload a picture from your computer, but I'm going to use one that I already have for now. So we'll choose this one, save that, and I just want to show you a quick peek at what that looks like. So we've got our title page in the header. Now we're going to go ahead and add a new section. Going to add some text. It opens the text dialog box up for you. And it starts out with some dummy text, lorem ipsum, but we'll keep that like this for now. I do want to show you how to add a link to text. You will highlight it, click the insert link button, and type in whatever link you'd like. Going to click apply and save that. So I also want to add an image, and I want to add it right next to this text. So to add multiple columns to a section, we're going to hover over this little 3-bar icon, and it opens up different column options for you. I'm going to do a half and half, and I'm going to add an image. So I'm going to use, let's see, this one. So go ahead and set that, and you can align it center, left, or right. Can animate it. We'll do like a nice fade animation delay, but we'll leave that for now. Perfect. Save changes and update. Let's take a look at that new page now. Perfect. So we've got our new section with 2 columns, and we have our text with a link, clicks out, and we've got our image. So pretty much I would, go ahead, add all the content you want. When you're happy with your page, we need to still add it to the menu. Otherwise, people won't be able to find it very easily from your site. So we're going to add it to our menu, which we go back to that left in the site backend. We're going to go to that left menu area and go ahead, hover over appearance, and click menus. So you want to make sure that you have the menu selected that you want to add it to. I know this is my main menu, so I'm going to leave that as is. And then I'm going to look at the pages that I have and click that new page that we just made and click add to menu. Now you can rearrange this. You'll see when you hover over it, there's this little like plus icon. If you click and drag, you can move it wherever you'd like. You can nest it, which would be adding it as a drop down underneath a main menu item. But we're going to go ahead and leave it there for now. Click Save Menu. And the way it follows is top to bottom will appear from left to right. So we've got our home, about, services, contact. And let me refresh that. So we've got our new page. Perfect. So now we see how that correlates there and how to add a new page, edit text, add images, and that's pretty much it. I would suggest if you haven't edited the content on your website before, I would probably start out testing a few of these elements just as we did now by making a new page and learning what your different options are. But when you're ready, just go ahead and add it to the menu and you're all set. All right, that's it.